Hi, I'm Lauren with iHeartSpeech, where you can get ideas and activities that you can do with your child to improve their communication skills. Today, we read a book called One is a Feast for Mouse. And I have a free printable that goes along with this on my blog, iHeartSpeech.com. And you can print it out, and then it's more of a language development activity where you work on order and prepositional phrases, but today we used it for speech. And so the idea is that Mouse goes around the table and he picks up things one at a time and he stacks them up, and it becomes this crazy tower, and I won't tell you how it ends, but it's super cute. And so we do the same thing with our speech. And so my kiddos, whatever they're working on, let's say they're working on exercises, we tape little tags that say how many times we do our exercise, or what word we're going to say if we have a list of words. So if there's a 3, we would say the third word on the list. And they pull out of the big bag, and they can pull whatever block they want, and then we take a little piece of tape or glue and we stick on our tag, and then they stack it and stack it and stack it. And when it falls down, we have to say them again. And so we do them a little bit faster, we say them a little bit in a longer sentence, or sometimes we even step back a level. And if they're working on, let's say they're working on phrases. So number 3 is the word belt, because my friend is working on the B sound. So they're working on belt. And so maybe when we pulled the block, we said, my belt, right? Well, then when it falls down and we pick it back up, it would take forever to redo it. So then we just go and say the words belt, bath, boots. And then when they're ready for a new block, then we do the level that we're actually working on. And so they pull out a new one, and then this would be number 4, and we would say broom. And you can, if you have speech pictures, you can tape the actual speech picture on. And if you don't have actual speech pictures, then you can just do numbers and have your list of words numbered. So it was quick, it was easy, all of them had fun, from my 2-year-olds to my 5-year-olds. This has been a great activity, and I hope you do some silly towers with your kids. And try to find this book. It's super great. And if you want the language activity that goes with it, check out my blog.